Lapan perdaya ke International Water Conclave mentakasngi kabadai nyaturik urampang arjar arpusau hastit convention senta Shillong da ka jingshim benta shitriham ki riudan buram bat ki riu shampang ha karukom kaba ipu iping. Ya kane ka program lapendan buram shushu da ka jingdon jong ki riudan buram kentup Minister badai pet ya ka Water Resources Department Shri Komingwan Omban Additional Chief Secretary Dr. Shakil P. Ahmed, IAS, Commissioner and Secretary Soil and Water Conservation Department, Dr. Joram Beda, IAS, and Shri S.C. Sadhu, IAS, Secretary, Water Resources. Minister badai pet ya kane ka department ula aya ka jingkran halo ka jingdan kam ban pynneh pynsah ya kitilong badru ula ong bakila persyang ban wat kilat kilanti ban penkut bat pynneh pynsah ya ka sawdong Sawkun ya kane ka kam banleh tang marwei ymlah setia kumta donkam ka iatreilang habaroh kiri bamarjan marpa bat same kita ki jing shampang ha ka jing pynneh pynsah ya ka maryang kat kum ka juk start ka bamenta ha ka pertai barok ka wei kaya kendu shibun ki jing ha ka bayak dei bat pynneh pynsah ya kitalong
International Water Conclave in our beautiful city of Shillong. Meghalaya is blessed with water resources, and as the minister in charge for water resource in Meghalaya, I am aware of my responsibilities, including the huge task which lies in front of us, especially conserving the resource and passing it on our future generation. Our additional CS request all the youngsters in our state, please conserve and protect the environment in our state. Water is the essence in life, has been an integral part of our culture and tradition and daily lives in Meghalaya for centuries. However, despite this natural bounty, we are not immune to the challenges that confront to the global community in managing this precious resource. As we gather here today, we are faced with the stark reality of a world grappling with water scarcity, pollution, and climate change. These challenges transcend borders and demand a collective response from all of us. This conclave underscored the need for concentrated action to safeguard our water resource for future generations. In Meghalaya, we have recognized the importance of sustainable water management as a cornerstone of our development agenda through innovative policies, community-driven initiative, and partnership with the stakeholders. We are striving to ensure equitable access to clean and safe water for all our citizens while preserving our natural ecosystem. However, our efforts alone are not enough. We must collaborate across borders, share knowledge and best practice, and harness the power of technology and innovation to address the complex challenges facing our water resource. These conclaves provide a uniform platform for such collaboration and exchange of ideas. Over the course of next couple of days, experts and practitioners from various parts of the world will deliberate on improving the quality of our water resource and how to make them sustainable. It has been very heartening to note the positive response to various pre-conclave events. I congratulate all the participants and winners and hope the deliberation in the conclave over the next few days would lead to an actionable roadmap for securing our water resource for future generation. With this forward,